Hey guys, welcome back to Sew It Yourself. For today's project, I'm going to teach you how to cut and stitch this beautiful and simple skirt with elastic with very easy steps, and you can pair this with any short top or t-shirt. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have taken a 1 meter cotton fabric. Now, let's start marking. To begin with, just open the fabric and fold it widthwise. So here you can see the two layers and the other side is the folded side. Firstly, I'll cut the fabric for the belt. For that, I'm going to mark some 3.5 inch. Before that, I will show you the elastic. So my elastic length is around 1.5 inch. So what I'm going to do is I will double this so that we will get 3 inch. And then I will add half inch for seam allowance. So totally I'm going to mark 3.5 inch from this point. Then extend these points. Now cut this. And now arrange the fabric. So after this we don't need any markings. Just I'll show you the open side and the folded side. This is the folded side. And now we are going to trim this. And the total length we are going to take it. After that we are making a small frills or pleats. Then we will attach this with the belt. So now just trim this. So you will get two separate layers, one for the front portion and other for the back portion. From this point I am going to share you the length of the skirt, which is around 19 inch. You can see, since it's a 1 meter fabric, so you will get only the less length. So I am taking the whole length of this fabric. With this cutting is complete, now I'll share you how to stitch this. I have taken a single layer, leave some 1 inch space and then start making a small pleats like this. Adjust the pleats according to your belt width. So repeat the same for the back portion as well. Here you can see I finished making the frills. Repeat the same for the other side as well. Here you can see I have finished making frills for both the front and the back portion. Now I'll share you how to attach the sides. So just place it here and adjust it. So starting from here, make a stitch till the bottom. Repeat the same for the other side also. After attaching both the sides, you have to finish the bottom by folding it twice throughout the skirt. Then you have to attach the belt here. So just see the right sides of the belt with the right side of the skirt and place it and make a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric and attach the belt throughout the fabric. To begin with, I am just attaching the sides of the skirt. After attaching both the sides of the skirt, you need to finish the belt portion. So this is the right side of the skirt. I am just placing the belt here. So match the right sides together and then place it. Then start sewing it. So after this, just make sure where you are going to make a stitch. So mark that point and then make a stitch at the belt. Then trim the excess belt. Now adjust and make a stitch. After attaching the belt with the skirt, just fold the raw edges once and then start sewing it. So here you can see I am folding this to the wrong side of the fabric. Since it's a selvage edge, I am not going to fold it twice. Otherwise you have to fold it twice and start sewing it. I am folding here only once and then start sewing it. Leave some 1 inch space for inserting the elastic. Now let's start stitching. So now we have to insert the elastic in this place. So just I'm showing the width of the elastic, which is 21 inch. So insert the elastic with the help of the safety pin. Overlap both the elastics and make a stitch here. Now secure the elastic. Make a stitch here. After this, make a top stitch. So after making a top stitch, fold the bottom of the skirt twice and then start sewing it. With this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then do like, share, subscribe and comment. This is the final outlook of this skirt. It's so simple to make using a 1 meter fabric. It will be so good for the summer. Thanks for watching.